Friends, in last class we saw history first lesson. Now we are going to see civics first lesson. The lesson name is how the state government works. How the state governments works. So in introduction, there are two sets of government in our country, the central government and state government. We have two types of government. So in our country, what the government is, central government and the state government. Two types government, central government and state government. Every state has a government to run its own administration. Every state have a separate state government. Separate state government, they have a separate government also. The state have executive, legislature and judiciary. The three types of government is there. What is there in our government? Executive, legislature and judiciary. In executive, we have a work. What are the works for the governor? CM la irukanga for the works the executive சொல்றாங்க. And the legislature means we have that here upper house and the lower house. We already studied upper house and lower house. So legislative council, upper house is called as the legislative council and lower house is called as the legislative assembly. And next one is the judiciary. In judiciary means law. In our country we have in our state we have a high courts, that is called as a judiciary. The state executive consists of governor and council of ministers headed by CM. In our state executive we have a governor, CM and the council of ministers. We have many ministers in our country. So next we are going to see the executive separate heading. Taniya explanation we are going to see that first heading is a governor. About the governor we are going to see, listen, the governor is the head of the state. Our head of the state is governor. Governor is our head of the state. He is appointed by President of India. Who appointed the governor? President of India is appointed the governor, and governor is appointed by the term of 5 years. The governor's working time is the term of 5 years. 5 years ka governor work pannalam. And but before expiry, president can dismiss us from office. Governor may also resign on his own interest. Actually, before the 5 years, the president have a right to dismiss him from office. Office la irundha avara dismiss pandradhanaala okay. Governor may also resign on his own interest. Governor ona avaroda interest nala resign pannalum okay. This is about the governor. Listen, governor is the head of the state. He is appointed by President of India, and governor is appointed for the term of 5 years. 5 years terms la அவர் work பண்றாரு. And but before expiry, president have dismiss him from his office. Office la irundhu president dismiss பண்ணலாம், and governor own interest nala resign பண்ணலாம். And the next we are going to say governor powers and function. Before that, governor have a person age must complete 35 years for the position. கவர்னராக நம்ம அதில் ஒர்க் ஜாயின் பண்ணோன்னா அந்த போஸ்டிங்க்கு we have to complete 35 years of age. Our age have to complete 35 years கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகிருக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் powers and functions of governor. We have some powers and functions. What are the works the governor have? So yeah, he is the chief executive in all the state. Governor is the chief executive for all the state. He appoints chief minister and council of minister. Our state's chief minister and council of ministers was appointed by governor. Next, he make appointment of state government such as advocate general, chairman, members of state public service commission. Not only that, governor appoints the advocate general, chairman like the state public service commission officers. And the governor acts chancellor of state universities. Universities also the governor act as a chancellor, and he appoint members for legislative council. He only appoints the members for legislative council. Upper house, I already told you, legislative council is upper house. So governor appoints the members for legislative council, and he appoints members who are experts in field of science, literature or social service. Actually, government also appoint the members for the science, art, literature, social and service. I understand about the powers and functions of the governor. So I told you 6 points. Later I will remind you. And position of governor. What are the positions the governor have? You are going to see the position of governor of the state is compared to the president of India as a nominal executive. The governor position is compared to the president of India. So that is also one high posting that is compared to president. But he is not always a nominal executive. He can exercise his power on real sense on some occasions. So always governor not have a rights to take all the work. In the work decisions, all the decisions the governor எடுக்க முடியாது. In some places and some powers governor have separate powers and powers also. In sense on is some occasions, some occasionல governor rights வந்து எடுத்துக்கலாம். Next, first I completed the governor. I told you governor and powers and functions of the governor. In next I am going to say the chief minister. About the chief minister I am going to explain. I told you governor and the chief minister. The chief minister was appointed by governor. Who is appointed the chief minister? Governor. Governor is appointed the chief minister, and CM is the head of the council of ministers. But and the council of ministers ke head yaru? CM. Nammaloda chief minister. The chief minister no fixed term of office, and CM must be a member of the state legislature. Actually CM has no fixed term. In governor I told governor have 5-year term irukku, 5 years அவர் work பண்ற term இருக்கு. But for the CM there is no term of office. CM must be a member of the state legislature. State legislatureல CM must be a member இருக்கணும். If he is not a member means within period of 6 months he must be a member. In state legislature CM is not a member means within 6 months the CM have to be joined in the as a member. And next I am going to say the powers and functions of CM, chief minister. What does that means? Chief minister is a chief administrator. Chief minister is he is a chief administrator. He plays important role in formation of council of minister. He only plays an important role. What role he is doing? எந்த மினிஸ்டரை வந்து எந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு போடலாம், யாரெல்லாம் மினிஸ்டர்ஸை செலக்ட் பண்ணலாம், லைக் திஸ் எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் ஃபார்மேஷன் ஆஃப் கவுன்சில் ஆஃப் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ் பை த சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் ஒன்லி. சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் தான் செலக்ட் பண்ணுறாரு. அண்ட் சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் சூப்பர்வைசஸ் த ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் அண்ட் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் மினிஸ்ட்ரிஸ் அண்ட் அட்வைஸ் தேம். சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் சூப்பர்வைசஸ் த ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஆஃப் த மினிஸ்டர்ஸ். மினிஸ்டர்ஸை அவங்கள வந்து வாட்ச் பண்ணுறதுலேருந்து அண்ட் ஹீ ஒன்லி கிவ் அ அட்வைஸ் டு த அதர் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ். And chief minister plays an important role in making policies of the state government. Chief minister only plays an important role in making policies of the state government. If we want to take any rights, rules and regulations ஏதாவது ஒன்று இல்லை பாலிசிஸ் ஏதாவது எடுக்க போகிறோம் நம்ம ஸ்டேட்லனா the chief minister only play the important role. chief minister தான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவார், அந்த ரோல் எடுத்துக்கிறாரு. So I understand about the chief minister. First I told about the governor, and next I explained about the chief minister. Next we are going to see about a legislature. What is legislature? In legislature I told upper house and lower house. Here we can see the explanation. In India, state legislature consists of two houses of upper parliament, that is upper house is called as a legislative council and lower house is called as a legislative assembly. They already told you upper house is called as a legislative council and lower house is called as a legislative assembly. This is your question answer. This will come in your question answers also. So the upper house and lower house, that means legislative council and legislative assembly. Now we see that explanation. In legislative council அதில் சொல்லியிருந்தேன் legislatureல next legislative council and legislative assembly. So in legislative council the constitution provide that total strength of council not less than 40. Strength எப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது, not less than 40 and not more than 1/3 of the total strength of legislative assembly. Not more than 1/3 of people from the legislative assembly. Assembly விட 1/3 people அதிகமாக இருக்கக்கூடாது, not less than 40 இருக்கக்கூடாது. So here members are elected from panchayat. 1/12 of graduate, 1/12 of teachers age should not complete 30 years, should complete 30 years. Actually here the members எப்படி members select பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா they are selecting a members from the panchayat and from the gratitudes. 1/12 of member from the gratitudes and 1/12 of members from the teachers, like this. So should not should complete the age of 30 years. Graduates எடுக்கிறாங்க, next panchayatல இருந்து எடுக்கிறாங்க and also the teachers, like this. So here age should complete 30 years. 30 years age complete ஆயிருக்கணும் legislative council மெம்பராக இருக்கிறதுக்கு. And the next one is the lower house. In lower house is called as a legislative assembly. The people who made the laws of state government are called member of legislative assembly. The people who make the laws of state government. நம்ம state government இருக்குல்லையா, in our state government is also called as a legislative assembly. I told you lower house in our state government அதுதான் வந்து legislative assembly சொல்கிறோம். That is called as a lower house. And next for the MLAs, the member of the assembly. Entire state is divided in different constitution. One legislative constitution have 1 lakh or even more people. Actually நம்ம ஒரு constitution, one constitution is equal to 1 lakh peoples or more than 1 lakh. ஒரு constitutionல in a தொகுதின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் லைக் திஸ், அந்த இதில் 1 lakh peoples இருக்கணும் or more than 1 lakh peoples are there. And next is the election of the assembly, election to the assembly. Different political parties participate in the legislative assembly. The person to be at least 25 years to contest for the election. One person can stand for more than one constitution. Actually different political participants in the legislative assembly participate. Mostly political parties, like different political parties are there in our state இல்லையா, நம்ம ஸ்டேட்டில் நிறையா political parties இருக்கு. So the person to be at least 25 years contest for election, contestant எலெக்ஷனில் நிற்கிறதுக்கு they have to complete 25 years. And one person can stand in many more than one constitution. ஒரு பிளேஸில் இல்லாமல் இன்னும் நிறையா பிளேஸ்லையும் one person can stand as a contestant even he is not from any political party. எந்த ஒரு political பார்ட்டியில் இல்லாமல் individual person can stand as a contestant. Every party has own symbol. Legislative council cannot have more than 500 members, less than 60. Actually the political party they may have a legislative council cannot more than 500 members and less than 60. 500 மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு அதிகமாக போகக்கூடாது, லெஸ் தென் 60 வரக்கூடாது. ஸோ எவ்ரி பார்ட்டி ஹேஸ் ஓன் சிம்பிள். யூ நோ தட் எவ்ரி பொலிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டி ஹாவ் அ செப்பரேட் சிம்பிள் ஃபார் தேம். ஒரு சிம்பிள் பார்த்துருக்கு இல்லையா பொலிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டிஸ். யூ நோ தட் ADMK, DMK, like this many political parties are there, so they have a separate symbol. So here they are saying that election la vandu to the assembly la every party has a separate symbols. And also states council of ministers. Council of Ministers பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். The leader of the majority party in the election is CM. Chief Minister chooses his MLAs. Actually the leader of the majority party, if the majority party யார் வின் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அதே ஆர் election as CM, they are selected as a CM. select பண்ணுறது CM அவங்கள செலக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. CM chooses his MLA. CM only chooses his MLA. அவங்க MLAவை CM தான் செலக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. Next, working after being elected 2 or 3 times, assembly meets. If the minister's works is not satisfied means we can change the ministries. After that the council of ministers working after being elected 2 or 3 times assembly meet. Yearly இப்போ members வந்து ministers select ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் after that they have a 2 or 3 times select a meeting assembly meetings. They have a assembly meetings. If the minister's work is not satisfied, if the minister's work is not satisfied means we can change the ministers. The ministers CM வந்து சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். Chief Minister have a rights to change the ministers. And next, laws are made in the state government. Many rules and regulations are made for all the peoples of our country. You cannot keep actually we have many rules and regulations in our country. You know that we have voting rights இருக்கு. Rights at the age of 18 we have voting rights. 18ல தான் ஏஜ் வந்து நமக்கு voting rights இருக்கு. And also women's marriage age is 18, not less than 18 இருக்கக்கூடாது. And also like this they keep a gun without having a license. இதெல்லாம் உன்னோட எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ். laws made the state government நமக்காக போட்ட laws. என்னது license இல்லாமல் without the license we are not supposed to have a gun with us. And also women cannot marriage before 18 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னே அவங்க மேரேஜ் பண்ணிக்க கூடாது. அது மாதிரிலாம் we have many rules and regulations in our country. And also நமக்கும் தெரியும் இல்லையா, we have a traffic rules and students we have many rules like this. And next, executing laws. What does mean by executing laws? Ministers' responsibilities to execute about laws to people. The state government have several lakhs of government employed to like collectors, tahsildars, so they have to establish their laws. Actually, it is the job of the state council of ministers to execute the law. இப்போ நமக்கு லாஸ் எல்லாம் தெரியணும் அப்படின்னா லாஸ் பற்றி தெரியணும்னா யூ ஹாவ் சம் பீப்புள்ஸ் to execute the laws. The state government have several lakh of government employees to execute the laws. நிறைய lakh of government peoples we have for execute the laws. That is lower people, lower house peoples, lower house peoples தான் நமக்கு laws execute பண்ணுறதுக்கு இருக்காங்க. யாருன்னு பார்க்கலாம். They are collectors, tahsildars, block development officers, revenue officers, village administrative officers, policemen, teachers and doctors, etc. Everyone is responsible for the state government. State government சொல்கிற லாஸை நமக்கு எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணுறது. These peoples are execute laws to us. And next we are going to start the judiciary of state. We have only one judiciary in our state, that is high court. நமக்கு தெரியும், in the beginning I told you we have state government and the central government. So இது எல்லாமே we are seeing in the under the state government only. So in state government we have only high court. So judiciary of state. Here high courts, the high court stands at state judiciary. They are common high courts for 2 or more states also. High courts consist of chief justice. Actually the high court stands at the state judiciary. I told you high court is the state judiciary and supreme court is the central. So they are common high courts for 2 or more states. For 2 or more states ku kuda ரெண்டு ஸ்டேட்ஸ்க்கு கூட என்ன இருக்குது சேம் ஹை கோர்ட்ஸ் இஸ் தேர். ஹை கோர்ட் கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் சீஃப் ஜஸ்டிஸ் அண்ட் சச் அதர் ஜட்ஜஸ் அண்ட் பிரசிடென்ட் மே அப்பாயிண்ட் த ஜட்ஜஸ். ஆக்சுவலி ஹியர் ஹை கோர்ட் கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் சீஃப் ஜஸ்டிஸ் இருப்பாங்க அண்ட் ஆல்சோ த ஜட்ஜஸ் இருப்பாங்க அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் அட்வொகேட்ஸ் ஆர் தே அண்ட் த ஜட்ஜஸ் ஆர் அப்பாயிண்டட் பை த president only appoint the judges. And next judge of high court. What is mean by the judges of high court? We are going to see the judges of high court, he must be citizen of India. The judge of the high court, he must be a citizen of India. நம்மளோட சிட்டிசனாக இருக்கணும். ஜட்ஜு ஹை கோர்ட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்க சிட்டிசனாக இருக்கணும், நம்ம இந்தியன் சிட்டிசனாக இருக்கணும். அண்ட் ஹாவ் 10 year எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இன் ஜுடிஷியல் ஆஃபீஸ். 10 years எதில் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கணும்? ஜுடிஷியல் ஆஃபீஸில் 10 years எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கணும். அண்ட் ஹீ மஸ்ட் ஹாவ் 10 year எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இன் அட்வொகேட். 10 year அட்வொகேட்டாக இருந்து எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கணும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஜட்ஜ் ஆஃப் த ஹை கோர்ட் ஹோல்ட் ஆஃபீஸ் அப் டு 62 years. அவருக்கு ஏஜ் டேர்ம் லிமிட்ஸ் அப் டு 62 years he can have work as a judge. And next, what are the powers and functions of high courts? What are the powers and functions of high court? There is some powers and functions of high court. They are the high court empowered to prohibition and enforcement of fundamental rights. Case in pending in subordinate courts, high court can take decision. Actually here powers enna powers irukku functions irukna what are the works the high courts are doing means if the subordinate courts la edavadhu work vandu done agalana அவர் ஹை கோர்ட் வில் டேக் அ டிசிஷன். அதிலிருந்தே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, சபார்டினேட் கோர்ட்ஸில் அவங்களுக்கு கேட்ட ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட்டு கிடைக்கலனா they will high court will provide a give a decision. And high court controls subordinate constituent states. And high court also consists so high court is consist of many subordinate courts. So here in this lesson we saw what so introduction, and the introduction I told you the government is central government and state government. In this lesson we saw only the state government, execution, legislature and judiciary. In the execution I told you in execution executive, governor and the chief minister. I told you about governor and chief minister and their powers and functions. And next one is the legislature. In legislature I told you upper house and lower house. Upper house is a legislative council and lower house is a legislative assembly. At last I told you about the judiciary of state. In judiciary of state I told you about history, high courts. So okay, in this lesson I hope you understand this lesson. In next lesson I will see you in the next class. Thank you students.